Hell yeah. America shorts. Oh, man down. So, really wide run today that we got. June 1st. Skiing in Arizona.
Dude, that hail has been fucking cool.
Dude, yeah, man. It fucking really shoots you off of it.
Especially on like a little fucking knuckle, dude. You catch some air sometimes.
June 1st skiing, baby. This is definitely a first for me. First time at Arizona SnowBowl. It is June 1st. It is their longest season on record. And you can see why. They've only got one run open. But hey, we're skiing. It's June. June 1st. Whew. Man down. Oh yeah, still recorded. I was gonna let that mess pass up a little bit though, man. It's too narrow for that many people. All right, I'm dropping in. Oh yeah.
Rear brake?
Oh yeah. Incredible. Fucking June 1st in Arizona. It's beautiful. I love it. Now I'm recording. Let me secure the goods. All right. June 1st skiing. Might get some snow. I mean, it's 60 degrees, so doubtful.
Lost me hat.
Oh, I was like turned around. I was like, dude, I wasn't going that fast. I was like, I hate catwalks too, and especially when there's nothing to really follow on. So I'm making short turns on that shit. Yeah. Woo! GoPro, brother. My bad. Getting some leg burners in there. Wasn't too bad in that wide section there, man. I was actually able to get some carbs in. Season ending run, SnowBowl, Arizona. Everybody's waiting for last run to go down. It's a party. Yeah, I just gotta say, there was definitely something special about skiing in Arizona for this end of season. Everyone that was there to ski
weather wasn't the best, obviously, for snow skiing. It was 60 degrees. There was hardly any snow. It was all mashed potatoes by noon, but nobody cared. Everybody just wanted to be there, get one last day of skiing in for the season. And I just so happened to be there. Met some pretty cool locals. It was an awesome time. The last run down, definitely nobody wanted to go. You could tell nobody wanted to drop in, but they even had to get on a megaphone and tell everyone that you didn't have to go home, but you can't stay here. So it was an awesome experience to be able to be there and share that moment with everybody and all the locals there. It was an awesome time.
man.